Welcome to this presentation on designing governance features for Ethereum applications. Today we'll dive into the concept of governance within blockchain projects, exploring various mechanisms and how to design effective features that ensure compliance. Governance is crucial in decentralized decision making and community involvement, empowering users to shape the future of the application. This knowledge is essential for developers and blockchain enthusiasts looking to build robust and sustainable decentralized applications. So let's move ahead. So blockchain governance involves establishing rules and process for decision making within a blockchain project. Key elements include defining who has the right to vote, how proposals are submitted, and what constitutes a majority vote. Governance is essential for the sustainability and evolution of blockchain projects, allowing them to adapt the changes and resolve disputes. So there are different types of governance model, which are mainly three types: on-chain, off-chain, and hybrid. The on-chain governance operate directly on the blockchain using smart contract to manage voting and decision by making, providing transparency and immutability. Off-chain governance relies on external platforms like forums or centralized systems, offering flexibility but potentially compromising transparency and decentralization. Hybrid models combine both approaches, leveraging on-chain system for core functionalities while off-chain platform for communication and community engagement. On-chain governance uses smart contracts to facilitate direct control over a blockchain project. This approach allows users to vote on proposals and influence the project's direction. Decentralized Autonomous Organization or DAOs are prime example of on-chain governance, where decision making is controlled by smart contracts and managed by token holders. On-chain governance offers increased transparency and immutability, ensuring that all decisions and votes are securely recorded on the blockchain, making the process verifiable and tamper-proof. So now we look at an example code to integrate DAO governance, which is decentralized autonomous organizations. So here is a simple DAO voting contract. So this contract allows user to create proposal and vote on them. The create proposal function adds a new proposal, while the vote function increments the vote count for specific proposal. Here is the vote function, and the get proposal function retrieves the details of a proposal, including its description and the number of votes it has received. This basic implementation demonstrates how on-chain governance can be constructed within a blockchain project. Off-chain governance refers to decision-making process that occur outside the blockchain, relying on community participation, discussions, and consensus. This approach offers flexibility and ease of coordination, allowing for dynamic decision-making. However, it also presents changes related to the transparency and potential decentralization, as the lack of permanent record on the blockchain can make it difficult to ensure complete transparency. Examples include community meeting, foundation decisions, and informal discussions that foster diverse perspective but may introduce centralized points of control. So, the hybrid governance models combine the strength of on-chain and off-chain mechanisms. They utilize smart contracts for core functionalities like voting while relying on off-chain platforms for communication and community engagement. This approach seeks to balance security, efficiency, and community involvement. Examples include Compound, which uses smart contracts for voting and proposal submissions, and Aragon, which provides tools for both on-chain and off-chain governance. While hybrid models offer advantages, they also pose challenges in coordinating decision-making process between on-chain and off-chain systems, requiring careful design and implementation. When designing governance features, inclusivity, transparency, accountability, and efficiency are key considerations. Inclusivity ensures that all stakeholders have a voice in the decision-making process, fostering and a sense of community. Transparency builds trust by providing clear information about decision-making processes, voting records, and proposal histories. Accountability ensures that the governance mechanisms function as intended, with mechanisms for auditing and reviewing processes. Efficiency is essential for minimizing delays and streamlining decision making, contributing to the project's overall success and sustainability. Now we'll look at a code snippet which will be used for integrating proposal submission and voting. So here's an example of the proposal submission and voting contract. The submit proposals function allow user to submit proposal. Sorry. While the vote function lets user vote on them. Here is the vote function. And after voting concludes, the execute proposal function execute the proposal if it meets the necessary voting threshold. This structure ensures that the proposals are properly reviewed and implemented if they gain enough support, demonstrating how governance features can be effectively integrated into a blockchain project. Implementing governance features into a decentralized application is crucial for enabling community participation in decentralized decision making. This involves leveraging smart contracts to implement voting mechanisms, proposal submission systems, and other governance related functionalities. These features are then integrated into DApp's user interface, allowing users to participate in the governance project. This example code we will be looking at provides demonstrate how a simple DApp frontend can be built to integrate the governance smart contracts. So this is the code. It enables user to view proposals and vote on them directly from the application interface. So this is the very basic code. We have already seen these parts and you can easily understand this. Now, compliance is essential in blockchain governance to foster trust and ensure long-term sustainability. Adhering to relevant regulations such as AML and KYC regulations, as well as data protection regulations like GDPR, is crucial. Sorry. Compliance measures help mitigate risk, prevent illegal activities, and maintain a secure and transparent operating environment. By implementing robust compliance measures, project can build a solid foundation for long-term success and protect their users. Now we will look at a code snippet example through which we can add the compliance in voting systems. So this code is an example of integrating KYC checks into a voting system. The verify voter function simulates the KYC verification process like we saw earlier in the earlier videos, ensuring that only verified user can submit proposal or this approach helps prevent fraud voters and ensure that only eligible individuals participate in the decision making process, maintaining the integrity and compliance of the voting system. Auditing governance features is crucial for ensuring security compliance and long-term sustainability. Audits help identify vulnerabilities, prevent malicious activity, and maintain trust among stakeholders. There are various types of audit, including code audits, process audits, and compliance audits, each focusing on different aspects of governance system. Effective auditing involves utilizing specialized tools, engaging experienced auditors, and documenting findings thoroughly. Community involvement in the audit process can also enhance transparency and trust with open source code audits, encouraging collaborations and public sharing of results. So this is the example of the governance audit process. First is the scope definition, then the code review and the functionality testing and documentation and reporting. Community members play a vital role in shaping governance decisions, contributing to decisions, providing feedback, and voting on proposals. Encouraging active participation through forum, social media groups, and dedicated voting platform fosters a sense of ownership and ensures that the governance process reflects the community's needs. Transparency and regular communication are key to building trust, with project teams providing updates on governance decision, voting results, and project progress. There are several tools available for implementing governance in Ethereum. Aragon provides a comprehensive framework for building decentralized organizations, which is DAOs, and managing their governance. DAO Stack offers a flexible and adaptive platform for creating and managing DAOs, while Colony focus on decentralized collaboration and governance, emphasizing transparency and community involvement. Each of these tools provides unique features and functionalities, allowing developers to choose the one that best fits their governance needs. For example, using Aragon, a DAO can be set up with specific governance rules, such as requiring a 50% of majority vote for proposal to be accepted. This can be implemented using a single token system or multiple tokens, allowing for different levels of voting power based on their holdings. Aragon's flexibility and comprehensive toolset make it a powerful choice for building and managing DAOs. The future of governance in Ethereum is likely to see advancement in on-chain governance, with more sophisticated smart contract functionality and advanced voting mechanisms. Additionally, the metaverse could play a significant role in the governance, providing impressive platforms for community engagement. AI-powered governance tools may also emerge, enhancing decision-making process by analyzing data and provide insight to optimize governance outcomes. Let's explore a few case studies that highlight key governance events in Ethereum's history. The DAO hack was a significant event that underscored the importance of security audits and led to a hard fork of the Ethereum blockchain. EIP 1559 introduced a new fee market model for Ethereum transactions, improving efficiency and reducing gas fees. The merge, which transitioned Ethereum from proof of work to proof of stake, significantly reduced energy consumption and improved scalability. These case studies demonstrate the community's ability to adapt, innovate, and improve Ethereum's functionality. In summary, we have covered the essential aspect of blockchain governance, from defining governance mechanism to designing effective features and ensuring compliance. We also discussed how to engage the community, leverage tools like Aragon, and consider the future of Ethereum governance. Thank you for your attention.